Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 0x80242020 in Microsoft Store. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error 0x80242020 in your Microsoft Store, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on the start menu. Then type here WS reset and click on the WS reset. And wait for some time to complete this process. Guys, after completion of this process, just close this window and click on the start menu. Then type here settings. Click on settings. Guys, in left section you can see here apps. Just click on the apps and click on the apps and features, and then click on the search box. Then type here Xbox. You can see here Xbox. Just click on the three dot, click on advanced option. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here under reset, if this app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. First, try to repair this. Guys, if this repair option doesn't work, then try to reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. And click on the reset and again click on the reset. Guys, after completion of this process, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the error code 0x80242020 in Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.